Hello friends, welcome to my famous educational channel to watch more creative videos on EJS. Stands for Embedded JavaScript Templating. As we have gone through few videos on EJS such as Node.js template engine using EJS and PUG. So today's video is all about login tutorial using Node.js and MongoDB using template engine EJS. So let us go through the program in detail. First of all, we'll go to the views directory, that is login1.ejs. This is HTML file, so EJS file which contains username and password and submit button. Now we'll go to the main JavaScript file, that is Node.js file. Loading the drivers needed for the program, then view engine EJS, we need to load the view engine, body parser to move the program from one page to another page, path, required path, connection string for connecting to MongoDB database, and database name is demo2, schema, whatever data needs to be saved in the collection that is defined in the schema, means proper data should be saved in the collection, that's why we are writing this statement. Then collection is user details, then get, in the sense when you will execute the program this file will load when you execute the program, and this part is entering data into MongoDB database. If the data is saved, then the message will be file data saved, otherwise unable to save in database. And Node.js will execute the program, and the server is running on port 3000. Now I will execute the program. npm. First of all, I will show you collection is user details and database is demo2. Here database is demo2 and collection is user details. Now no document is there in this collection user details. Now I will execute the program. npm start yes http:// localhost yes username Sachin, password Sachin123, yes data is saved. Now again I will enter another data, Rohit, password is 123, yes data has been saved. Then again I will enter the data, Amar, so 3 records have been saved in database. You will see whether in backend MongoDB database data is saved or not. Yes, 3 records have been saved. So I have successfully done with Node.js and MongoDB login tutorial using template engine EJS. If you like this video, please share with your friends. Subscribe to my channel. I will be back with more videos on EJS, Node.js, MongoDB, session handling, Python, Streamline, machine learning. Thanks for watching.